Hello everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can remove any text from your Google Chat. Okay, if you send someone your text or message, and immediately you will realize that you wanna remove or delete that text. So how can you delete this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So go to your an account. For example, I sent him some message, so you should select first which text you are gonna remove or delete. So I just want to select this one, and when you select the any text, then just long press on that, then you will get the pop-up background. Then you can see the option delete. Okay, so when you click delete and again delete, and message deleted by its author, it seems like this. Okay friend, this is really short tutorial for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.